Oh, here we go, guys. Cash on 10x. Come on! Come on! Ah! Oh.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Wow, we got it, finally! Woo, let's go! We go! We have 2x is the lowest one, we don't need it. A lot of silver, but 200x is the highest one, so 3, 2, 1, let's go! Woo!
This is the amount of money issued 695,570 euros.
Got it, 200! Woo! 6,205 winners, mano! Top win, 37,539 euro win. Let's go! And bets are closed.
Agree. Almost 1.2 thousand for Wish, Colo 1,000, Smithy almost 1,000. Let's go again. I don't know, Sandy. Have no clue. I'm not really tracking my colleagues. At least tend not to do it. Especially dudes. No, Kevin. They are not red anymore. 5x on coin flip. Kevin, buddy. Look at this beautiful coin flip. Hey, Uncle is here. Uncle, have to give you some money. Have to give you some money with 5x on a coin flip. You want Andy? Well, okay. Good to know. I want the biggest multiplier from the coin flip. Which will be 250! 15 on red, 250 on blue. Oh, be blue, baby. Come on, watch me. 3, 2, 1.
This is the amount of money issued 1,001,478 euros.
I want Andy as well. More than 3.9 thousand fee with money, 31,000 for KCG, almost 30,000 BR, 25,000. Dude, you were late? No, Uncle. No more money back for you. Alright, Kevin, you will be rich right now as well. Nice, good job, guys. Keep it.
It all depends on me, just to have a wonderful time. It's the number 10, for example, got it here, 3,369 winners. Hopefully it was a great catch for all of you guys. Nice time with a 10, so what a bet. Congratulations, let's go for the new round, my people. Let's go for the new game. Oh, here we go, guys. Cash on 10x. Is it time for the cash on, guys? Guys, then don't blame me that you picked the wrong segment, right? Or symbol or whatever there. It's a 10x on a cash on, yep. It's just a 10x on a cash on, ladies and gentlemen, that we got it here. I don't want to see any kind of the bad vibes in the chat, guys, right now. Everything that I want to see, it's a great hearts, great day on this beautiful Valentine's Day. 75s, 50s, 100x to the play. No, 75s. But 10x on it. There was a 50s, 500s, 1000x, 100s, 500s, guys. We got it here. Now, it's all depends on your own choice, guys. Your own choice. 1000x is a top multiplier here on this board. Guys, please make the correct decision, guys. If you're not making decisions, you will get auto pick, yep, if you want to, of course, but I don't know. I would be making a shot by myself. I'm always going for 6 down and 9 on the side, 6, 9. It's a cupcake there, you can see there. Let's see, ladies and gentlemen.
This is the amount of money issued 453,155 euros.
Right corner, 48 winners on it. Woo! Good. Okay, Ciliat. Casino. Congratulations, guys. So wow, that's an epic win. 500x. Thank you. A lot of 500x's we got it there, by the way, guys. Top 5 the winning list was like full. Very nice. All right, it's been a tough with $970. Mirko, AI, Renato, and let's get tough. Good job. Oh, come on, computer. This is Kevin. Better got about 3x cash on. Incredible. All right, come on, cash on. Come on, cash on. 3x. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Woo. Yay. Oh my goodness. Well, that took a while. All right, let's go, guys. Let's see what's gonna be the max multiplier. Can we keep the 500? Woo! We keeping the 500, guys. Everything is multiplied by 3x. Come on, baby. Boom, shakala. Everything's multiplied by 3. There we go. Max multiplier is 1,500, baby. 1,500x is the max multiplier over there. So let's go, guys. Oh, we're breaking up pieces the 1,000x cash on, baby. We are destroying it on my favorite bonus game. So all you gotta do, blind shot, auto pick, and choose your own targets. Take your pick right about now. Oh. Wow. That was heavy, right?
This is the amount of money issued 206,459 euros.
Many people with the 1,400. Let's go, guys. We got TMFG with a top player with a 26K, 1,400. So 3,400 since he wins Pablo Smith at VR and Shooting Stars on the top 5. Beautiful. 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 Yeah, Kyle, it was right beside me.
195 total winners here. Ali, hi. GGG, special compliments for winning. Nice play then. Thank you. Would you like to play again? If yes, hop on aboard. Buckle up and hold on tight. Time for another goodbye. Yeah. Thank you, Primey. Thank you for everything. Thank you for spending your day with me here. Yes, same for you. Have a good night. 7x cash on. Have a good night. Sleep tight. Hope you will have a good night's sleep without any nightmares. And oh, why look at this! Look at this cash on. Huh? Happy Valentine's Day.
Wow, it's 7x.
I know, right? This is literally my last round with you here, guys. So that's what you guys talking about. Check this out. Let's do a little upgrade. Hello. 7x. Let's go. Like this. I don't know. 700x is gonna be a maximum.
All right, which one you picking?
Let me think. Maybe we should shuffle first.
Yeah, let's shuffle it up.
Let's shuffle first. Okay.
Shuffle, baby.
Which is your symbol of choice?
6-9.
Good one.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I will go with the star. What's it? The
All right,
second one.
I got a cupcake.
Cupcake.
The cupcake.
Okay.
6-9.
Yeah. Got it. Remember. I remember. Yeah. Okay, guys, decision time is running out. And ta-ta!
This is the amount of money issued for 135,130 euros.
Congratulations to compliments with 61 players with the 700x. Thank you for the game. Congratulations, compliments.
Star it is. All right, enjoy. Have a good one over there.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, what's up, Klein? What's up, baby? How you doing, guys? How you doing? It's night shifters are taking over. What's up, Mrs. Prime?
How's it going there? You had fun? Enjoy it? So, what's up, guys? I actually just woke up. Woo! Like, a few hours ago, actually. Like, 2 hours.
VLD is all KBC and as if Canada's. Honestly, of course it's in Canada. I'll be honest with you. Let's go. For some reason, it just fits, you know, having a family day. A country where Looney Toonies exist, and whatever you do will be responded with a sorry. Am I wrong though? Pylon? Am I wrong though? I lost my mother? Ah. Same. Cash on with a 2x that slot. Hey, cost should a hunt. It better be a 500x right now. And 2x on top. It better be. That would be so nice. 1,000. Oh yeah, baby. We got cash on, baby. Beer and maple syrup. Oh yeah, you know it, Pylon. So, oh, we got a 500x, baby. Yeah, yeah. 2x. Ka-chow. I called it right here. 1kx, baby. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Shuffle up time. Pull on the big shtick, because we love to pull on big shticks. Here's the deal. We're going to shuffle it up. It could be behind the same thing, different thing, same place, different place. You never know. Let's fly. We got a 1,000x, baby. Hey, bro. Bangladesh, where are you from? Karen, I'm from Latvia. Ever heard of this place? It's kind of a dumpster. Yeah, Latvia is kind of a dumpster, in my opinion. Anyway, let's go. 1.5k jump out the window? What do you mean? You're gonna jump out of the window because of a 1.5k?
This is the amount of money issued 129,524 euros.
We got 1,000x with a 37 of you, with a 97 of you, with a 150x, 4,194, but it's nicely done. The little as well, Valley, and a roll. Looking at that, the little beautiful 7.5 thousand buckaroos. Nice, spicy stuff. Let's go. We got a 1,000, baby, cash on. Nice. How does this work? Dodge basically was simple. You just had to pick. If you didn't pick, then the game was
Confident. $73 orders. Congratulations. Yes. Please go on. Let's go. Let's go. Hello, guys. Hello. Hello, newbies. Welcome and happy Valentine's Day. Zoom. I believe in universe. Oh, same. 25x5. Hello, Candy. Hello. You guys say.
This is the amount of money issued 529,417 euros.
Why you look at this? I really cannot keep my eyes off this. Woohoo! Guys, I think you dropped something. My jaw. We have 7,168 total winners. Your Pablo special compliments. Nicely done. Thank you for the gift. 25x5. Let's go. Now that's more like it. Yeah.
Saturday, Sunday. It's like a pretty beautiful days, by the way. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If I will be in my hometown, I'm gonna probably spend the time with my girlfriend, but yeah. So what I can do, what I can do, what I can do, what I can do. Maybe make some magic. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Time's off for the grades, it's time for the tracks. So. Yeah, probably, of course, go to the gym tomorrow. I'm gonna make like a legs day. So on Saturdays, you're gonna make something. But yeah, nowadays, while I'm taking rest, it's not so powerful trainings. By the way, crazy time for the 2x on the top squat. There we go. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen, to the crazy time. Bam, bam, bam. Open up, FBI. And there we go. Welcome to the biggest one in the world, to the Bobbyland. Woohoo! Tracks on the top slot. Let's multiply everything, ladies and gentlemen. So, ladies and gentlemen, choose your lucky one, flapper, green one, blue one, and the yellow one. Where is hiding your powerful multipliers? The question is, Final second for your decision. So time for the arm wrestling, 200x, the highest one, and there we go.
This is the amount of money issued 40,753 euros.
X, green 150x, blue 150x, yellow 1. Ronnie Kummer was telling, like, wait, yeah, buddy, 200x, brah. Yeah, the king in the castle, king in the town. Hey, boom, 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 boom. I was trying to scare you. Boom. Darkness says, I know much about job and sorry, my keyboard is stupid. Ah, that's alright. Darkness, everything is alright. Once again, welcome to the newcomers, and let's do a high school right there. No patience, just spin it as high as you can. Still yet, Ari, where is my hello? I told you, camera job at Jigita in the beginning of the session. You still do be ignoring. Oh, is this a crazy time 4X? What? That's a crazy time 4X, baby. We are going to get that, right? Okay, I ain't knocking out the door yet. I need to get that money before. Whoa! Welcome back, everybody. Oh my! Welcome back to the crazy time. What's good, penguins, eh? Look, not a lot of the doubles you can see here, but no matter what, that's a 4x multiplier. The lowest as you can go is a 40x. The highest one is a 400 for now. But there is a doubles, you know what I mean? You hit the double, you make a lot of money again. Пацаны, я смог. Я сделал это. I did this, homies. I told you I will. Pick one of the three flappers, by the way. Green, blue, or the yellow one. But as far as I see, majority of the player sticks to the yellow flap. And I mean, let's see what's up with it. 400x is on the line. Best of luck to everybody.
This is the amount of money issued 53,208 euros.
And at 200 for the yellow team. I feel fabulous. I feel fabulous, baby, for making that a 200x for everybody. Hey!
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.